Hey neighbor, my backyard took a real beating this last winter. We got a dog.
Bert. Hey Bert.
And we also got a lot of heavy ice. Let me show you what to do in the spring to get things off on the right foot. My name's Joe. Welcome back to Live Your Best Lawn. Alright, first thing, let's talk about what ice does to your lawn. Now, ice is going to damage your lawn depending on how much ice was on the lawn, the length of exposure of how long it was on the lawn, and 3, how hardy to begin with your lawn was. Now, luckily for most people, it takes approximately 60 to 120 days of contact with ice to do any damage to your lawn. Varieties that are more hardy against ice damage are your Kentucky bluegrass varieties, whereas your perennial ryegrass varieties will be less hardy. Your grass is going to end up dying from a couple of reasons. First reason is something called crown hydration, and that's where there is a buildup of ice over the crown of the plant, causing a buildup inside of carbon dioxide. The second reason for the grass to die is from something called cellular rupture, which is basically the cellular level of the plant will rupture due to the freeze and thaw cycle that you will go through. And again, the third reason is how hardy your plant was to begin with. What to look for simply are low-lying areas in your lawn, areas that get a lot of shade and not a lot of sunlight, that allow the ice to stay on your lawn and potentially cause some damage. And also, foot traffic over the snow we got this past winter can also cause a hardening of the snow and maybe the production of ice based off of being in the backyard and doing different things with the family, including playing with that new dog. Alright, now if you look in your yard and you do notice areas where there was ice or you notice some ice damage, the cure is pretty simple. All you want to do is just reseed those bare areas. Till up the soil, put some seed down, put some top dressing down, and you'll be fine. Now for me, in my situation, when I look out my lawn, I know that things are going to get better, partly because a lot of my lawn is Kentucky bluegrass, and every year it starts off looking pretty rough, but then things start to spread out. Alright, I hope you guys learned something from this video. And if you want to know more about how to reseed bare patches in your lawn, you can check out this video right here.